What's up, guys? Hey there, my retro dolls. So today we are doing an impromptu inside the dressing room. A lot of you found me through my previous inside the dressing room at Forever 21, and I decided, since I've lost roughly 61 pounds since then, that this is probably a good time to see how these clothes fit now. When I did that initial inside the dressing room, again, it was very impromptu as well. It was kind of like this, where I was just, hey, I'm at the mall, let's try some shit on, why not record it? Anyways, like I said, there's like a 61-pound difference from that inside the dressing room to this one. When I did that inside the dressing room, I was like a 26, 28. Right now I'm like a 22, 24. I know that their pant size only goes up to a size 20, but yeah, let's try some things on and see how it goes. Oh, before I forget, if you want to know my measurements, my sizes, all of that kind of stuff, everything that I tried on, it's all going to be linked down in the description, so don't forget to go check that out. So let's go into Forever 21 and see what we find. So before we get started into all of the things that I'm going to be trying on, let's talk about what I'm wearing right now. So I have this shirt from a Coheed and Cambria concert that I went to a few years ago, a flannel from Target, and these jeans I got in my latest inside the dressing room, which you can click the link up above, and the shoes are from Vans. All of those links are down below. I'm especially excited about this inside the dressing room because for the first time I'm going to be trying on Forever 21 pants, skirts, dresses, and tops, where usually I would stick to just tops because Forever 21 is more of a junior plus as opposed to a full-on plus size. So it's not comparable to Torrid for their sizes. It's a little smaller because, like I said, it's junior. Anyways, I'll stop rambling. Let's get into this try on. So let's just point out the obvious here. This outfit is a bit snug. Anyways, so let's start with this top. It is a pale tie-dye Kurt Cobain t-shirt, which I thought was so freaking dope. Unfortunately, they only had a 2X in store, and I feel like a 3X would have been perfect for me. As you can see, it's pretty fitted. I do get some room in the shirt, but it would have been ideal if they had a 3X in store. So as you probably noticed, I adjusted the lighting in this clip. It's because it was so difficult to see the jeans in the lighting that was in that dressing room. So please forgive the blown out color. Anyways, so these jeans are a size 20, which is the largest that they carry in store. I'm not sure if they have extended sizes online. These are supposed to be butt lifting jeans. They're push-up jeans that enhance your assets and round the rest. It has a fit guide, all that good stuff. Anyways, I didn't feel like it did anything for my butt, but that might have been due to the fact that I was pretty much maxing these out. They fit comfortably, and I had a little bit of room and stretch, but not too much. I'd say they were pretty comfortable. That's why I was kind of shaking my butt around so I could show you guys that I can move freely and comfortably in them. But they are pretty fitted, and they do have a little bit of a cuff on them. I am 5'5", and these fit perfectly at my ankles. So if you're any taller than that, then I would say these are more like capris. Oh my god, I think they're actually supposed to be capris, and I'm just short. Ugh, anyways. For the sake of trying on different outfits, I just kind of put these two things together. I know the patterns are kind of clashing, but I kind of like it in a weird way, even though I made weird faces. And I'm clearly not wearing the right bra. Moving on. This crop top is seriously the softest, stretchiest thing ever. Again, this isn't a 2X. I think I would have preferred a 3X, though it might not have been as fitted as it should be, given that it's a crop top. The sleeves on this are so freaking cute and so chic. I like that they have the cutout on them too, because I'm able to actually move my arms a little bit more freely, and you don't have to worry about dragging your sleeve into anything because it's open right there. At least that's my theory. So moving on to these pants, I absolutely loved the print on these pants. I feel like they are such the perfect print for just wearing over a bathing suit, going out to the pool, going to the beach, something very spring, summery. The issue that I had with them is that they were really, really tight. Like, I was actually seriously concerned that my ass was going to bust out the back. And they were super long. Again, like I said, I'm 5'5", so you know, keep that in mind depending on how tall you guys are. The fit was very tight. I know they were supposed to fit really flowy, but your girl has all the hips and all the butt, and these pants were not forgiving. I would suggest to keep that in mind if you're planning on buying this. You can see that the fabric is pulling right there. Yeah, it was concerning. The top had an elastic band that had some stretch to it, and there was a tie across the top that you can tie looser or tighter depending on how it fits for you. But for me, as you can tell, it was a no. I had some mixed emotions about this outfit. Seeing it on camera and editing it, I'm kind of like, damn it, missed opportunity. Probably should have bought those pants. Considering, like, look how freaking stretchy they are. So, anyways, let's just talk about the shirt first. The doors, hell yeah. Love me some Jim Morrison. Really, really liked this shirt. The only problem was they only had it in a size 2 in store. So had it been a size 3, probably would have swooped up on this guy. Even though I do get a lot of room in it, I would have liked it to be a little less fitted, but that's just my preference. Other than that, it fit just fine. The pants were in a 3X, and as you can see, they're pretty high-waisted, and they had a lot of stretch to them. They don't have any pockets. They have like faux pockets in the back, so they're a little bit more of a dressy style. But I liked that they were different, you know? There's not a lot of pants that have this sort of print on it. And here's a quick look at how they button up. It has that little clasp in front along with that little button inside. So it's like 2 different ways to get you in there. When I was heavier, I'd have an issue with that, and I would only button one of them. But since losing all of that weight, I can finally utilize both aspects of the closure. And here's a little clip of me zipping and zooing it, trying to show you that you get a lot of room in these pants because of how high-waisted they are. I might actually go back and get them because when I was trying them on, I was like, went. But now that I see them again on camera, I'm kind of liking them. Let me know what you think. Pay no mind to the dirty old tank top that I'm wearing. I literally just brought it in because, I mean, I had nothing else to wear with these pants. So let's talk about these pants. I don't know how to feel about these. They're the same cut and design, well, basically, as those last pair of pants that we tried on. The only thing is that this one, again, being high-waisted and stretchy, this one has just a little button right there with the zipper, so there's no like clean enclosure like the last one. There's a lot of stretch in these pants, so if you are more hippie than I am and you have a smaller waist, then these pants will still work for you. The thing that kind of made me feel weird about it is the print on them is almost identical to the pants that I had to wear when I worked in the kitchen at Disneyland. So, yeah, it brings back some pretty terrible memories for me, just so you know. Again, on the back, the pockets are just these fake little slits on the back of your butt cheeks. That's like nothing to write home about. But I do get a lot of stretch, a lot of movement. They are super comfortable. It's just a matter of liking the print or not. And for me, I was not a fan of the print. But other than that, the fit was great. They had a lot of stretch, like I keep mentioning, and they were super comfortable. So other than the print, I can't really complain. This dress right here made my entire day. I was seriously contemplating buying it, but I didn't end up buying anything. Anyways, this was, just everything. It is a white, stretchy overall dress with lemons on the print. It was just, with 2 full, huge pockets in front, and the bottom part of it was kind of like an unfinished denim, almost shredded look. It was so cute. The straps on the overalls are fully functioning. You can undo them and do them again. You can adjust the straps, all of that good stuff. It was stretchy. It was comfortable. It was everything. I really wanted to buy this, but I didn't because, well, I had no need for it. And, yeah, that was basically it. I had no need for it, and I was trying to be responsible for once. Anyways, this dress was everything. I understand that some of you aren't comfortable showing your visible belly line. That's something I kind of really don't care about. It doesn't bother me which way or the other. What I was telling myself is that I'm going to wait until this thing is on clearance or on discount or something, and I'm going to swoop up on it because, yeah, it's just freaking cute. It would be perfect for the spring and summer. You can also use this as something to wear over your bathing suit or just, you know, go into brunch or something. It's just, I just like it, okay? That's it. I just like it. This jacket is like if a Moto jacket and a varsity jacket had a baby and that baby had pink faux fur hair. Wow, that's quite the description. Luckily, this little faux fur bit comes off. It's detachable, and thank God for that because it was driving me absolutely nuts. I couldn't get it to lay right, and so it was just kind of smacking me in the face the whole time. Yeah, so not the biggest fan of that. Anyways, so this is a little bit of a cropped jacket, I would say. At least on me, it felt a little bit of a cropped jacket. On one arm, it had a zipper, and on the other, it didn't. And on the sleeves, that's where the varsity part comes in because it has, on the lining of it, more of that stretchy cotton material. And the rest of it was like a faux leather with faux fur on it. This was in a 3X, and it fit comfortably. I could move my arms comfortably. I didn't feel restricted in any way. It was just that freaking fur that was driving me nuts. I started with it zipped just to show you guys how it would fit that way, but I like it better unzipped. And there was matching pink lining within, and it was really cute. It just was not for me, that's all. So there's a few things I want to say about this dress. First is I felt like I was a hippie and this was my wedding day and everything was just gorgeous and beautiful, and I was going to get married barefoot at some forest filled with fairies. I mean, I was digging it. That's pretty much it. There was a nude slip dress underneath that had a slit in the back. Which I don't understand why there would be a slit or why it was necessary to even include a slit, seeing as how it was covered by that sheer material overlay. And also, because there was two different dresses going on, it was kind of confusing to get into properly because, you know, all the material and all the things. But once I got into it, I loved it. One thing that sucked was that trying to pull it over my head wasn't really working, so I had to unzip the back. But then, you know, trying it on by myself, I couldn't zip it back up once I had it on, but it did fit. I tried to show you guys by pulling the pieces in the back together that it does connect. It's just that I needed some help with somebody else helping me zip it in the back, but obviously that was not an option. I just wanted to show you guys that it would fit. I just couldn't get my little puny T-Rex arms to zip it in the back again. But overall, this dress was gorgeous. The lace or sheer mesh over top just felt so glamorous and beautiful. It has like a keyhole, well, a little bigger than a keyhole cut in the back once you zip that back up. The white lining around the bust is see-through and it's just gorgeous. So I definitely recommend this dress. I think it was beautiful. It was super comfortable, a lot of flow and movement, and as long as you have somebody help you zip yourself in and out, then I would suggest getting this dress. Woo! It is toasty. Oh my God. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that inside the dressing room. Again, like I was saying, it was really spontaneous and I didn't really plan for it, so that's why the camera was a little so I hope the footage wasn't that terrible. I'm freaking exhausted. I haven't eaten yet today. It's 3 o'clock. I'm exhausted because I went right from the salon from work straight to here. And anyways, long story short, I didn't get anything at Forever 21. I was considering getting that overall dress. I didn't end up getting it just because I have zero need for it and it's really not that necessary. Anyways, but I was like super excited that everything fit. For the most part, it fit and then some. There was a bit of stretch. There were some things that were super tight, but I feel like I'm a few pounds away from them fitting like perfect. But yeah, so that was pretty cool. I ended up going to Torrid to pick up a present for my friend because it's her birthday. That's the whole reason that I went to the mall, was to pick up a present for her. I ended up getting a pair of sunglasses because if you've been around this channel for very long, then you know that I have an addiction to glasses. So these are the sunglasses that I got from Torrid. They are so badass and so cool. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear these for spring and summer with all of the cute outfits. They were $14.90 at Torrid, but it was buy one get one half off on all of their accessories. So yeah, you like, I like. That is it for this inside the dressing room. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you want to follow me on all my social medias, all those are linked down below in the description as always. And remember, until next time, if they ain't paying your bills, pay them no mind. Check you later.